recipes in our party book, including the burritos. Oh my gosh, so good. But what about a quick sweet recipe? I mean, easy to make, just a couple minutes. Take with you, take it to the party, even perfect for your on-the-go snacks, kids' lunches, and even more. Again, going back to our coconut wrap, you'll remove a sheet from the package, just like so, and literally adding your favorite moist ingredient, or again, sprinkling water on it, is going to soften it right up. This is our favorite quick banana sushi party recipe. We are in love with Betsy's Best. This is a delicious Betsy's Best Itsy Bitsy, so easy to carry in your pocket, in your purse, your lunchbox, and we use this with just one banana to make an incredibly delicious banana sushi. So really easy. You'll just open, and these are so easy to open. So you're just gonna layer and squeeze that itsy bitsy right out. Oh my God, so good. You don't want these to be overly saturated with the Betsy's Best, so use just a little bit, and then just smother it and smooth it along the wrap, just like so. So don't use, again, too much, because it becomes too much it'll become too messy for your guests and so forth. So you just want to enjoy it, spread it just like so. Oh my God. So if you have not, Betsy's Best, seriously, it's pure heaven. This is pure heaven. And I love this because a lot of my friends who pack lunches for their kids, rather than doing those sugar cookies or those things that have all those preservatives and all that stuff, I mean, with Betsy's, I mean, it's just completely organic, completely healthy. And then with the coconut wraps and the banana, you are literally solving that sweet craving that kids have during their lunch, while also ensuring that they're getting their daily intake of whole nutrients and so forth. So after you're done laying that out over the coconut wrap, really easy, you just grab a banana and voila. So these are really easy to roll. Again, our coconut wraps are really pliable, as you saw, like with the burrito and the taco. So here you'll just place the banana. So I usually do the long edge. Make sure you're using the long edge versus the short edge. And very easily, you're just gonna place your banana on the wrap, just like so. And then, you just roll it for an incredible banana sushi roll. And you'll see, after adding that Betsy's Best, literally the wrap just becomes so pliable and so soft. It's like mouth-watering deliciousness. And then, very simple, using your knife, we just literally you cut them out into little bite-sized sushi roll pieces. And that is your 2 minutes literally serious party recipe. Folks are literally gonna go bananas for these. Sorry, I had to. So again, Betsy's Best Itsy Bitsies, just a beautiful organic banana and our 100% delicious organic coconut wraps, and you have your banana sushi. So another way to enjoy Betsy's Best with our coconut wraps is we've also launched our coconut chips. So rather so easy, if you're looking for a good healthy chips and dips, whether it's sweet or not, we offer 5 flavors of our coconut chips. So you can go back to using Bren's salsa, your favorite guacamole, using Betsy's Best Itsy Bits, and literally just opening the bag, and these things are dehydrated to perfection. As you can see, Max here is, these are our cinnamon, so, and they are the perfect bite-sized size, just little chips, and adding just a little bit of your Betsy's Best, or with our original or spirulina or chia chips or so forth. Oh my God, you just layer that right on there. It's so good. That is holiday cinnamon heaven. So we invite you to download our 100% free, guilt-free, scrumptious full party recipes, party favorites recipes ebook at wrawp.com. You'll see it right on our homepage. And we invite you to bring along your favorite fillings while making and becoming the talk of your party this holiday season. So from Wrawp, until next time, happy holidays, and we wish you all a safe, healthy time together with you, your family, and loved ones.